Hello, and thank you for watching today. I've noticed in my last couple of videos, I have taken my video and moved it to the other side of the screen, which creates a double version of me, and I'm not sure why it does that. So we are just going to leave my picture alone down here and hopefully not have to move it. And I am going to show you how to create a name ornament. And this is done in Cuttle. And this, I'll have a couple different parts. This is going to be the first part. This is actually designing the ornament. So super easy if you have Cuttle. It's cuttle.xyz, and there is a 10% off if you use Cuttle Up as a promo code for your first month. Otherwise, it's $15 a month. So we are going to go ahead and just figuring out my names here quick. Open our Cuttle app, and we want to click on the split monogram ornament, and it'll pop up like this, and you can input the name that you would like in there. Alright, I apologize for that delay there. My screen kept freezing, I'm not sure why. So go ahead and type in the name that you would like, and in this case it's Trader, and it automatically, depending on what letter you use at the beginning, it automatically changes the name. So just, P, G, so whatever letter you use first is what the monogram is. And then you can change this to big snowflake. You can see it takes over the entire letter T, or you can do the little snowflakes all over. I really like how that big snowflake looks. I think that looks really cool. So you can either cut it out like this, which will be like one piece of acrylic or one piece of wood, or you can do 2 layers, so it will cut this right here out on the wood, and this it'll do the acrylic background. So we are going to do the acrylic background. Go ahead and save it as our SVG, and we are just going to open up a new project here in Glowforge. So we are going to click upload and split monogram, and there we go. And I'm going to keep it this size. I'm going to move this. I know I said I wouldn't, but I can't see it otherwise, so hopefully it doesn't mess anything up. It probably created a double, and I'm not sure why it does that. But we're just going to see how big this is. And it is about 4 inches tall. So if you want to change the size at all, which I think I'm going to keep it as it is, make sure that you select the entire thing so it changes it together. Not that it, you make one layer too small and one layer too big. So for this, we want to have it on the Baltic birch, which is what I'm using. I use 142 for speed and full power. And this for acrylic, I use, actually I just had to change that because I cut a mirrored image before, but I use 140 and full power. So go ahead and run that through your machine, and I actually am going to do a part 2 so I can show you the process of actually doing this. So stay tuned for a part 2. Thanks so much for watching.